Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP750 software on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP750 support and go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MP750. Select that. And then you want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, select the My Printer item in here and then download. And then once it's downloaded to our system, you want to go ahead and open that file up to run it. If you receive a user account control prompt, make sure it's a verify publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then follow along with the on-screen prompts here about selecting your country, region, as well as the installation location. And then you can create a desktop shortcut if you choose and select complete. And then hopefully you should be good to go at this point. If you're still having a problem, you can launch that application. And then by selecting diagnose and repair your printer, you will be able to access different troubleshooting guides in here. But like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.